So here we are out in the shop, and you'll have to bear with it. It is a disaster zone, it is craft season, but you're going to get an idea how I just work this in. What I want to do here is remove this line, and I will use the wheel sander to do so. So here we go. So there you have it. I'm going to leave a little wiggle room here just for some other sanding. So there we are. Our rough cut done and made, and we'll take it inside and put it on the vise and start our finishing sanding. So as we mentioned before, and as you've seen on the forum, there's 100 different ways to do this. I'm still experimenting because there's, I'm sure, an easier way, and the more you play, the more you learn. So what I got on here is a 100 grit sandpaper, and this is the first time I've done it with a palm sander, so hopefully it'll speed up the process a little bit, and we'll work our way into the 240 grit and the 600. So I took a break there and I switched over to a 220 grit, and I'll just continue working my way with this. So now I've decided to put aside the power tools, and I have a 320 grit paper, a little bit of water, still locked in the vise. And I'm just going to work it small little circles by hand. Now, this is a long, drawn-out process, and I have over 20 pieces to make for this little mod. So it is a bit time-consuming, and patience is a virtue. So I found my sanding sponge, which works real nice. I am continuing on with the 320 grit. This makes it a little easier. You don't get the grooves from your hands cast into the acrylic. And as long as you don't sand in one spot for too long, it does a real nice job. And once again, I've changed my paper now to a 400 grit paper, and I am sanding wet. So again, on my sponge, a little tub of water here. I'm just going to continue small circular motions, sanding my way. Unfortunately, I didn't buy any 1000 grit paper, and it's a long drive to anywhere where they have some. So I must cheat or find another way to make this work for me.